Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your laptop system and keyboard layout because shortcuts differ. Once confirmed, pick the type of shot you need: full screen, window, or a selected area. Make sure Screenshot apps or the OS have permission to write files. This avoids silent failures. Press the appropriate initial keys now: Windows, print screen, or Windows plus Shift plus S. Mac OS, Command plus Shift plus 3/4, so you start capturing immediately rather than searching menus. Once you've triggered the capture tool, select the exact area or window. This gives you control over what gets saved and keeps sensitive info out. If the image lands on the clipboard, paste into an editor or press save to create a file. PNG preserves sharp text, JPG reduces size. Make sure to annotate or crop now so you don't repeat steps later. Then name the file clearly and place it in a logical folder or upload directly to cloud storage. To finish, open the saved screenshot to confirm it captured what you needed. Once done, share or back it up. If screenshots aren't saving or tools don't respond, check disk space and app permissions first, then restart the screenshot tool or reboot. This fixes most issues. Make sure hotkeys aren't overridden by other apps. If they are, change the shortcut or use the built-in app interface. Finally, use a screen recorder instead when you need video or animated content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.